crafters, it's Creative Mayhem. I have an unboxing for you. It's been a long time since I've done a regular video. I know it has, but we have a new year, new start to the channel, and I'm just gonna get right into it. I'm so excited about this unboxing. I did get this on AliExpress. So let's go ahead and I went ahead and opened it out of the packaging because I didn't want to fumble with it while I was on the video. So this, I have had my eye on this painting for a long time, and it is a religious painting, and it is from a movie. And normally movies will come with a copyright restriction. However, I did research on this one. This is kind of an iconic image of Jesus, and they basically don't have any copyright restrictions on it, even though it is from a particular film. Because it's become so iconic, the owners that hold the copyright are not enforcing the copyright restrictions. So I have done my due diligence in researching this, and I feel confident in putting this one out here because I absolutely love the image. Whenever I think of Jesus, this is the image that I have in my head. So let's go ahead and get this part open. Okay, this is a Huacan image. I do not have a problem with Huacans. I've worked on this is my 4th or 5th one, and I love their image quality. I've said this before. There's lots of things when you're doing diamond painting that are deal breakers for you. For some, it's the canvas quality. For some, it is drill quality. And for some, it is image quality. I am one where image quality is highly, highly important to me. I can deal with the drills, the bad drills here and there. I can deal with misshapen drills. I can deal with different size drills, square or round. I think I have come up. I'm going to test my theory with this yet another Huacan painting. I do have a video in the works on how I deal with them. I make them work. I would rather spend less on copyright free and copyright okay images than spend a ton and not be happy with the image quality. If you're not happy with the image quality, it doesn't matter how great the canvas is. It doesn't matter how great the drills are, how soft the canvas feels to you. If you're not happy with the quality of the images in the end, you're just not going to be happy with the finished piece at all. So, and it's not that one company is bad, one company is good. It's all personal preference. So keep that in mind. But I do tell anyone, if they do like this painting and they don't want to go with Huacan, by all means, get it from another supplier on AliExpress. I, again, don't mind Huacan, but I always say buyer beware. There's been issues in the past with drills. There's people that do not like Huacan, and that's absolutely fine. Again, I make it work for me, and I like them. I absolutely love the image quality. So, let me show you the thumbnail. Here it is right here. And if this doesn't come out and it's a little blurry, I will go ahead and insert a thumbnail in. But I love this image, you guys. Look at that. I just love this image. Absolutely love it. It is a 70 by 50. It is portrait, and it is 45 colors. Can you believe that? 45 colors. This is a black and white image, and it has 45 colors in it. So it has lots of variations of gray. It does have some blues in here, which we'll get to the drills in a little bit. But I am astounded by how many colors are in this. So let's get to the canvas. Let's open this up. It is around a thin foam core, which I would much prefer a larger foam core because I think the thinner foam cores lend to a lot of issues on the canvas with rivers and so forth. But as you can see on this one, I don't see any puckering. I don't see any rivers. The back looks pretty great. Let's check the front. And I'm not sure how much that I can get in the shot, but this is in sections. So let me go ahead and peel some of this back so we can get this curl out of here. Oh, I'm so excited about this one. I keep getting bigger and bigger, folks. Bigger and bigger. Now, obviously the background is going to be dark, but this is not straight color blocking. We have obviously the 310s. Those are the circles, but then it's also mixed with 939. So it is not a solid background. We have a mixture going here. So there is confetti, and confetti lends itself to better image quality. So if you're into color blocking, this is definitely not going to be the painting for you. I'm sure there's other manufacturers out there that do it in less colors. But I love color blocking because to me, color blocking equals less pixelation. So if you're new to AliExpress, if you're new to diamond painting, it's all personal preference. Some people like color blocking and kind of a cartoonish effect with their images, while other people don't. And either one really is perfectly fine. So, yes, and it's very, very clear. Very clear. Let me try and hold this up so you can see. It might focus. I'm using a different camera program. We'll see if that'll focus. And if not, I will go ahead and insert images for you. Very, very clear. And the adhesive is right up against the edge on this side. Probably have I'd say 1/8 of an inch over here, but it's massively overshot by about 1 inch on this side. So let's go ahead and get this down, and we will unroll the other side. This is going to be the biggest one I have ever worked on. So we shall see. It does have the color list on each side. So you got the chart on each side. That's nice because since I have a smaller area to work on, I am moving my canvas around, working on it upside down, sideways, and so forth. So I like that it has the chart on both sides. Oh, I think this is going to turn out great. Now it's going to be really hard to tell what the image is because it is a monochrome and it is black and white. So it's monochromatic here. Oh, so you can kind of see the face a little bit. It's probably almost going to look like an X-ray. But you got the cheeks here, you have the eyes. I can already tell the eyes are going to be great. There's the lips, nose, and then we have the crown and the thorns up here. So I'm really excited to see how this is going to turn out. Yeah, very happy about this one. And now just have to see whether all the drills are here. But I know that I just got done working on my floral elephant, which had a lot of whites in it and a lot of pastel colors. So I am going from white to dark because this is definitely going to be a lot of grays and a lot of blacks. But let's take a look here. Let's take a look at the chart. I'm going to try and see what you are seeing, here we go. So there's the chart. Oh, look at that. The colors are I'm just flabbergasted. 45 colors. I would not have thought there was 45 colors in there. And the symbols are super, super clear. Right now, I really don't see anything that might be confusing right next to each other. But I will definitely tell you. There might be a couple like this 34. That might be a little bit, it kind of looks like a heart on that lighter grayish green color. But we'll see once I get into it. That might be a little bit light to discern, but I'm not really seeing anything in that light color that would be similar. So very nice symbols. And if you didn't see before, if it didn't focus, very, very clear grid. You can kind of see, I do believe, that one symbol that I was showing you. No, that's not it. That's the sideways, kind of like an arrow. But yeah, that looks nice. Very nice. I'm very happy with that. So let's get into I will go ahead and probably put you on fast forward. I'm going to go ahead and check the drills and then I'll be right back. Okay, so let's check and make sure we have all 45. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we have all the colors here, and I am so surprised at what colors are in this painting, and it's a black and white painting. Look at this. We have these lilacs. I wonder if those go in the eyes, maybe. I'm not sure. Wow, it's $5.50. We have another shade of this lilac, $2.11. Then we have the light blues. Look at these blues that we have in here. $1.58 and $1.59. And lighter versions of those, 40 and 40, or this is 3743 and 3747. And then we even have pinks and we have some greens, $8.19, $9.27. So this is fantastic. I mean, I honestly am blown away. I mean, there's greens in here, there's some tans, there are some variations in color, and this is supposed to be a black and white. So I'm really curious to see how this is going to turn out. I am really shockingly surprised about how many pastel colors, purples, blues, we've got some pinks, we've got tans, we have greens. I mean, there's just a lot of variation here. Everything seems to be here. I will go ahead and take the inventory as far as the quantities and make sure that the quantities are labeled in the bag or what we're supposed to have. And I will go ahead and let you know in the description below if there's any issues with it as I'm going along. But yeah, this is my unboxing of this beautiful photo of Jesus. I cannot wait to work on this. And all of the info is going to be in the description box below. Feel free to go ahead and click on the links. I always put the links down below for you. So if you do want to go ahead and purchase this, you're more than welcome to. or, you know, do an image search on it. If you don't want to go with a Huacan, you can certainly look on other vendors and see if you want to get it. But it is a 70 by 50. It is a portrait, black and white, 45 colors, and I got it from Huacan. And I'm just blown away, guys. Like, who would have thought that there would have been blues and purples and greens and tans and pinks? Like, you all know I love these pastel colors, right? It's supposed to be a black and white photo, and I'm still getting pastel colors. So I'm really curious to see how this is going to pan out. But as always, I will keep you updated. There'll be links below in the description if you want to go ahead and purchase this. And I will have more unboxings for you. I have quite a few more, and ones with special drills. So if you like special drills, be on the lookout for that. As always, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up because that helps us out tremendously. Or leave a comment below. Tell me, what kind of iconic image do you think of when you hear Jesus' name? Is it this one or is it another one? Let me know. I'd love to find out. Tell me in the comments below. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.